Clarence T. Brown here with the Talking About Limited Liability Corporation, talking about my Volvo shift, making my vacation my vocation. Man, it's halfway. We're halfway, day 15, and we're coming to you live at 6:27 a.m. in the morning. Getting ready to walk out the door to my vocation where I'm going to what? Give 100% while doing what? Aligning my vacation and my vocation. Hope you got that consistent theme all the way through now. That's what we're talking about. We're talking about taking your Volvo shift, making your vacation your vocation, or finally realizing that thing that you were created to do and actually walking and operating in it, but also doing it basically on a part-time basis while you're working your vocation full-time. Because I don't want anybody to get to misunderstand me and think that I'm asking you to go give half-time at your vocation. No, we want you to give full-time at your vocation while creatively finding ways to align your vacation and your vocation so that you can maximize who you are and what you do on a daily basis from 9 to 5 with who you are and who you are purposed to be on your vacation from 4:45 for me to about 6:30, and then from about 10 o'clock or 9:30, 10 o'clock to about midnight or 1. That's what we do, because what we're trying to do is we're trying to spend that extra time. We're trying to burn the candle at both ends, spending that time kind of aligning our life with who we were created to be. And so we need to do it because right now we find ourselves in a vocation because we have chosen a path that was not consistent with our creation. And so we're aligning ourselves in that position because we realize that by luck or happenstance, there are some things that are happening on a daily basis on our vocation that are part of who we were created to be. And so we're finding those things and we're creatively aligning those things so that we can mature in who we are created to be. So I'm loving this opportunity to talk to you. I'm loving this opportunity to go through this activity. And the reason why is because it's kind of keeping me honest. You know, for years you'll say, well, one day I'm going to do this, one day I'm going to do that. And so years go by and you just continue to stay in that same cycle. But when you put it out there for the world to hear and to see, and you realize that people are either counting on you or counting against you, then you have that extra incentive to do what you need to do. And so again, I've been up since 4:30 this morning, got out of bed, got down in the office and did my devotion, and then I started on my Volvo shift. Started again sending out information because my database is created. And once the database is created, it's simply a matter of marketing. It's a matter of sending that information out, building that pipeline. And again, and doing that process, coming up with creative ways to actually expand yourself, because that's what you'll find is happening. What's happening for me is I've already got a plan in place, and I'm working that plan. But as I'm working that plan, things are being revealed to me, and as they're being revealed to me, I'm taking note of them, because in taking note of them, these are avenues that I never seen before. And I haven't seen them because I haven't been walking down this path. I've been saying I was going to walk down this path. And so that's what I want you to understand. If don't just say you're going to do it, let's start doing it. Because when we start doing it, we'll realize it's actually getting easier, because our subconscious mind now is working overtime to make sure that our Volvo shift happens. And so I've been making notes just this morning on some of the other avenues. Yesterday evening, I was saying, okay, this thing that I've done years ago that's coming back into play, and I'm going to work it. And then even this morning, as I thought about that, as I was sending out the information, doing my branding and my soft marketing, I sent that information out, and I was like, oh man, that's where that concept aligns. And now I got another concept. And so I'm ready to write that down, and I'm ready to operate and act on it. And so it's getting really exciting for me. I'm loving this opportunity to sit in front of you and talk to you about it. I'm loving the fact that you're actually going through it with me, because it just helps me and makes me stronger. And so I'm hyped now. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go to my vocation, because you know what? There's some alignment. I got to go do some aligning. Got to go make good on what I'm promised to do. So, hey, Clarence T. Brown with the Talking About Limited Liability Corporation, coming to you on day 15 in the AM of my Volvo shift. All right, you can reach out to me on the web, www.talkingabout.com. You can email me at clarencetbrown@talkingabout.com, or you can call me 703-563-9161. Clarence T. Brown, the Talking About Limited Liability Corporation, on my Volvo shift, where we're making our vacation our vocation. Talk to you soon.